This video will show you how to use several different features on the Internet Explorer 10 application on a Sony VAIO PC with Windows 8. The Internet Explorer 10 application within the Start screen is an app that allows you to browse the Internet quickly, and it is also a touch-friendly app. First, let's show you how to launch the Internet Explorer application from the Start screen. Launch the search charm by pressing the Windows key and the C key and selecting Search. Then select Internet Explorer. Now, to pin the Internet Explorer 10 app to the Start screen as a tile, right-click and select the Pin icon on the bottom of the screen. Select Pin to Start. Input the desired name and select Pin to Start. Press the Windows key to go back to the Start screen. The Internet Explorer app will now show as a tile on the Start screen. To open a new tab within the Internet Explorer 10 app, right-click and select the plus icon located on the top right-hand corner. A new tab will appear. Enter the new address that you would like to visit. Press Enter to navigate to the URL that you entered. To print within Internet Explorer 10 app from the Start screen, launch the device charm by pressing the Windows key and the C key. Select Devices. Select Printer. Select Print. To switch to the desktop Internet Explorer from within the Internet Explorer 10 app, right-click on the screen and select the Page Tools icon. Select View on the desktop. The Internet Explorer desktop will launch using the same URL that was being viewed from within the Start screen. To switch back to the Start screen, just press the Windows key. The Flipahead feature provides easier navigation on the web pages that contain articles with multiple pages. It places a left and right arrow on each side of the screen to easily advance to the next section of the article. This feature is dependent on the site you are viewing. To use Flipahead within the Internet Explorer 10 app, launch the Settings charm by pressing the Windows key and the C key. Select Settings. Select Internet Options. Turn on Flipahead. Navigate to a web page that has multiple pages. Place the cursor to the right-hand side and an arrow will appear. Select the arrow to move to the next page. You can also use the arrow to the left to go back to the previous section of the article. In-private browsing helps prevent Internet Explorer from storing data about your browsing session. This includes cookies, temporary internet files, history, and other data. To use the in-private browsing, open the Internet Explorer 10 app. Right-click and then select the Tab Tools icon located in the top right-hand corner. Select New In-Private tab. In-Private is now turned on. Input the desired URL. The Snap feature allows you to have two apps open side by side. To use Snap within the Internet Explorer 10 app, place the cursor to the top middle until a hand appears. Left-click and drag to either the right or left-hand side to snap the URL to the left or right side of the screen. For example, the URL will snap to the left-hand side, allowing you to have space on the right-hand side, as shown here, to perform other functions. Open another app. Both apps are open side by side, as you can see. One app will always be larger than the other. However, you can change which app is larger by dragging it to the left or right. To unsnap the app, simply drag the app to the bottom of the screen. I hope you've enjoyed this video. For more tips, tricks, and how-to videos, please visit us at esupport.sony.com or on our Sony Listens YouTube channel. Thank you.